Hello CoolCrafters! Welcome to my YouTube channel Mimibits CoolCraft. So today I'm going to show you how I made this cute bathrobe set for my K-pop doll. So are you guys ready to watch? Let's get started! For the materials, I use pink velboa fabric. You can also replace it with minky fabric or another fleece fabric, or you can even use your old towel or blanket that you no longer use. This time, I sew it with sewing machine, but of course you can sew it by hand as well by using backstitch method. As usual, I will put the pattern on my Instagram. Make sure you check the description down below for more information. Yay, it's done! It's time to put it onto my 15cm K-pop doll. He is super cute with his new bathrobe set, isn't he? Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy sewing!